In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Zotero user ID in a quick and easy way. Whether you're new to Zotero or just need to locate your user ID for the first time, don't worry. We've got you covered with this straightforward guide. To start, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Zotero's website at zotero.org. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be in a familiar place if you've been managing your research with Zotero. If you haven't visited the site before, you'll find a wealth of resources and tools there designed to streamline your work. Next, to access your profile, simply look to the top right corner of the website. You'll want to find your username displayed there. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, select the profile option. Navigating to your profile page is a crucial step because that is where all your account details are, including what we are looking for today, your user ID. Once you are on your profile page, you'll need to shift your focus to the address bar at the top of your browser. This is where the magic happens. The URL you see is unique to your account and contains a series of numbers at the end, which may look something like this: https://www.zotero.org/users1234567. Now pay close attention to those numbers at the end of the URL. This is your Zotero user ID. It's typically a 7-digit number, though the exact length can vary. Congratulations, you have successfully located your Zotero user ID. This ID is a vital piece of information, especially if you need to sync your account with external services or manage advanced settings. Always ensure that this piece of personal information is kept secure and share it only in safe and necessary circumstances. Now, as a couple of bonus tips, if you're frequently in and out of Zotero, you might want to bookmark your profile page for quicker access. Also, consider saving your user ID in a password manager or note application for future reference, especially if you'll be needing it often. That's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you now know how to find your Zotero user ID. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more digital tools tutorials to aid in your research journey. Happy organizing!